What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go to a naked bike riding event in Stockholm with my bros. It should be fun. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. I woke up with that song playing in my head. What's that called? An earbug. Earworm. I think it's the last summer day of the year today here in Stockholm. We have like oh ninja. We have like 25, 26 degrees today, which is sort of awesome for a second week in September. What more could you wish for, right? The sky is blue, the bike is clean. I have a new sticker on my bike. Yeah, life's good, right? So let's just enjoy this day, guys, this last summer day, and have a chill day. Alright, let's go! Good boy, good boy! Why is it so hard to get this camera to just stick? Isn't this supposed to be a motorcycle mount, Insta360? You know, last ride I came home without my battery. That's why I have this fucking ghetto cable set up today. So I'm using my an external battery pack with silver tape here, guys. Insta360, what are you doing to me, bros? Anyway, I am running slightly late. Okay, no, or maybe not. I want to screw this camera on. For dear life. Maybe there's a US Army mount or something, like a Army helicopter mount or whatever that I can use. Oh, there we go. I feel like it is tight, but I guess it's not. Okay. Oh man, Stockholm. What a beautiful city. For a few more months. And then it turns to shit. Tja boy! Är det läget? Var har du hojen? Nice. Jag ställer mig här. Ska jag köra in? Alright. Hey! We're three bros today. A beautiful ZX6R. And of course, my bro, the 2024 CBR 650R. Vet du vad det är för rutt? Vart ska vi någonstans? Trosa, okej. Dags att dra, eller? Okay, guys, we're gonna have to make do without the 360 camera today because it's just too fucking unreliable with the mount. It just keeps falling off and I don't want to buy another one, you know. So, fuck it. And I just realized I have my fucking sneakers on. Guys, as you know, this is a naked bike riding event and we are on sports bikes, so I hope no one sees our fairings. We don't want to be judged in the naked bike court of law. Tja, du, vi drar nu. Det verkar som att folk kör ganska fort. Så att du kommer ju behöva catcha upp liksom. Nice, vi hörs sen. Ha det. Ciao. That's silver Kawasaki. That's very cool. Hey! This is where we started the Mälaren Runt ride. And I went to McDonald's. MT10. No, MT09 SP. Another t-shirt boy. Now I feel a little bit better. I think it takes an hour or two of riding to become in tune with the machine, with the motorcycle. I love that guy's R6. It's so cool with the red and white colors. Beautiful bike. Okay guys, we have a stop here. We're gonna take a ferry across. I mean, look at this beautiful day, right? It's amazing. So many cool bikes here. Undrar om vi får plats på den här båten alltså. Nice! MT-09 eller MT-07? 07. Fan vad fin. Let's go boys! Fan, PlayStation 2-hoj alltså, fan vad fin. Vad är det där alltså? PlayStation 2.